Hello, this is Gary Nelson with Aldan American, and today we're going to show you how to install a coilover shock on this '68 Mustang that has a Mustang II front suspension conversion. On the Mustang II front ends, there's been a lot of different manufacturers that have made Mustang II front ends, and a lot of them have got their own little twist on open and closed lengths on the shocks. So we always recommend that you measure the shocks before ordering them. In this case, the open length of this shock is 12 inches. This is our Mustang II front shock, and on this front shock we measure from the center of the loop on the bottom to where the bushing touches the frame on the top, and that is the measurement points from here to here. On our Mustang II style shock, this is our Rebound Adjuster. So as you rotate the adjuster, counterclockwise is softer, clockwise is firmer. Now when you go to take this apart so that you can get the bushings and the nuts off, you're going to loosen this. You're going to loosen the hex, and both pieces will unscrew. Today we're going to use this ball joint spreader tool, and the concept is expands and it'll pop the ball joint loose without having to hammer on it or use a pickle fork that could potentially damage the ball joint or the boot. Now that we removed all of our old components, we're now going to put the new shocks in. On some of the Mustang II tubular A-arms that have the stock spring pocket like this, they will have to be trimmed in order to have clearance for the shock.